If you've ever watched a trail of ants marching through your kitchen like they own the place, you know the struggle. These tiny invaders show up out of nowhere, and once they do, it feels like no amount of wiping, spraying, or glaring at them makes a difference. That's why finding an ant killer that actually works, and keeps working, is a total game changer. Whether you're dealing with a full-blown infestation or just trying to prevent one from starting, the right ant bait or spray can make all the difference. Today, I'm walking you through 9 of the best ant killers out there that people swear by. I've tried some of them myself, and others come highly recommended by friends and other users who are ready to burn their homes down before these finally save the day. All the product links are down in the description if you want more details or are ready to send the ants packing. Let's kick things off with the classic go-to, the Taro T300B Indoor Ant Bait. This little trap is famous for a reason. It uses a liquid borax formula that ants love to bring back to the nest, which means you're not just killing the ants you see, you're wiping out the whole colony. I've personally used these in my kitchen, and I kid you not, within 2 or 3 days the endless ant parade had completely vanished. One thing to know is that you'll probably see more ants right after placing the bait. That's actually a good sign. It means they're taking the bait home. It does require a bit of patience. And if you have pets, you'll want to place it where they can't reach it. But for indoor infestations, this one is a quiet hero. Next up is the Ortho Home Defense Insect Killer. Now, this one's a spray, not a bait, so it works differently. Instead of waiting for ants to carry poison back to their buddies, this stuff kills on contact and creates a barrier to keep new pests out. It's great for use along baseboards, windows, doors, basically anywhere ants might sneak in. One of my neighbors swears by this stuff for her garage, where ants and spiders used to be a real problem. It's got a long residual effect too, lasting up to a year indoors. The downside is that it's not ideal if you want a hands-off, set it and forget it type of solution. It takes a little more effort, but if you're dealing with frequent visitors and want them gone fast, this is a solid pick. For something a bit more targeted, the Hot Shot Ant Bait is a compact, affordable option that does the job quietly in the background. It uses a slow-acting poison that ants take back to their nest, which is key for long-term results. A friend of mine tried this after struggling with ants in her pantry and said it worked surprisingly well. It took about a week, but the ants disappeared and stayed gone. It's discreet, doesn't smell, and is easy to use, though the bait stations are small and not as sturdy as some pricier brands. Still, if you're dealing with a mild infestation and want something effective without spending a ton, this one's worth a look. Now let's talk about the Combat Max 2-in-1 Ant Bait Station. What makes this one stand out is that it targets both sweet and grease-loving ants, which covers more bases than a lot of other baits. It's also designed with dual attractants, so no matter what's drawing ants into your house, you're more likely to get results. One user online mentioned that after trying 3 different brands with no luck, Combat Max finally solved the issue in just a few days. The stations are easy to place and they're less messy than liquid options. The only real downside is they can be a bit bulky, so hiding them in small spaces can be tricky, but if you're dealing with stubborn ants that don't seem interested in other baits, this one might do the trick. Raid Ant Killer baits are another classic that's been around forever, and they're still going strong for a reason. These are pre-filled bait stations that attract ants with a food-based poison. They're super easy to use. Just open the pack, place the baits near ant trails, and let them do their thing. One small con is that they don't always work well on ants that prefer proteins over sweets, but for most indoor cases, they get the job done. I know someone who keeps a few of these in their RV while traveling, and it keeps everything ant-free during the summer. They're affordable, clean, and usually start working within a few days. If your problem isn't just inside but extends out into your yard, the Spectracide Fire Ant Shield Yard Protection might be what you need. This granular treatment is made for outdoor use, specifically targeting fire ants and other ant species that build nests in your lawn. You sprinkle it on the grass and it starts killing ants on contact while also preventing new mounds from popping up. A buddy of mine used this on his front yard after noticing mounds all over, and within a week, they were all gone. It does need to be reapplied occasionally, especially after rain, and like all outdoor treatments, it works best when used proactively before a full infestation takes hold. Another powerful yard option is the Ortho Fire Ant Killer Broadcast Granules. This one is a bit more heavy-duty and designed for large areas. It's best used with a broadcast spreader, so if you've got a big lawn, this makes application much faster. What I like is that it kills the mound and queen in just one treatment, and you start seeing results fast, often within minutes. It's great for active fire ant mounds, though it's less about prevention and more about knockdown power. Someone I know used this after stepping on a hidden mound and learning the hard way how aggressive fire ants can be. This stuff wiped them out almost instantly, which was a huge relief. Let's swing back to taro for a minute with the T1813B outdoor liquid ant bait stakes. These are designed to be staked into the ground around your home's perimeter, and they use the same tried and true liquid bait as the indoor version. What's great about these is that they're weather resistant and super easy to check thanks to the see-through window that lets you know when it's time to replace them. I've used these in combination with the indoor traps, and the two together really covered all the bases. The downside is they can dry out quickly in extreme heat, so you may need to monitor them more in hotter months. But overall, for outdoor perimeter protection, these are one of the most effective tools out there. And finally, we've got the Taro T401 SR Indoor and Outdoor Spray. This is an all-purpose ant spray that kills on contact and leaves a residue that continues working for weeks. It's super handy to have around for those times when you see a fresh trail and need to respond immediately. I keep a can of this under my sink, and it's saved me more than once from an unexpected invasion near the trash can. It does have a bit of an odor when first sprayed, and it's not something you want to use near food prep areas. But as a quick response tool, especially if you don't want to set up bait stations everywhere, it's incredibly useful. Alright, so which of these should you go for? Let's break it down by needs. If you're just dealing with indoor ants and want a discreet, long-term solution, the Taro T300B, Hotshot, and Raid baits are all excellent picks, with the Taro probably being the most popular for a reason. If you're battling both sweet and grease ants or haven't had luck with other brands, the Combat Max 2-in-1 gives you that broader coverage. For folks who prefer spraying and creating barriers, Ortho Home Defense and the Taro T401 SR are perfect for fast, visible results and longer-term protection. Got yard issues or fire ant mounds? Then Spectracide and Ortho's broadcast granules are the way to go. They'll knock out colonies and help prevent future ones from forming. And for those who want a perimeter shield around their home, the Taro outdoor stakes are easy, effective, and great for keeping ants from ever stepping inside. The key is to think about where the ants are showing up and how aggressive you want to be. Baits are fantastic for long-term elimination because they take out the colony, but they need time. Sprays are better for quick knockouts or as a backup plan. And if ants are coming in from outside, you've got to handle the yard, not just the kitchen. All the links to check these out or grab one for yourself are right there in the description. Thanks for watching, and here's to finally showing those ants who's boss. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest, no-nonsense product reviews. And if you've battled ants before and found a method that worked wonders, drop it in the comments. We're all in this together. Until next time, stay pest-free and take care.